All right, we're on to step 3 now of generating our printed documentation. If you jump to this lesson, we're working with the How to Use LDC Print project, and we've double-clicked Printed Documentation, and we've moved on through the general properties. We've moved on through organizing our table of contents, and now we're into the sections, organizing the sections of our document using our section layout over here on the right-hand side. So what you'll see by default on the left-hand side are all of the topics in any folder listed here on the left-hand side. That's everything in your project. And over here, the sections. So you'll see a default title page right at the top. You'll also see the table of contents is coming next. Then the chapter layout, and that's based on the previous screen where we decided from the TOC which chapters to include, for example. Then a glossary and then an index. So if there are any topics here that you wanted to make their own section from, maybe the feedback form, you could select it, click Add, and it becomes right at the top a separate section on its own. And of course you can use the arrows to move it up and down. Maybe that should go right after the glossary and before the index. So there's a feedback form. Then you decide, no, maybe it should go up one right after the last chapter. And there we go. So now we have it in its own section. We can also add or remove sections. So if we were to, say, take out the glossary by clicking it, clicking the minus sign, there will be no glossary. Then you decide, oh, I kind of think we should have it. Click the Add button, click the drop down, you'll see what you can add. The only thing that we've removed, the glossary, and it's back right where it was. Perfect. So here we are organizing the section layout of our project, so what it's going to look like when it prints, getting things in the right order. Once we have that all set, we're ready to move on to the next step by clicking the next button, which is where we're going to talk about mapping styles. We'll do that in the next lesson.